Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great day today. Want to show you real quick, guys, 3 websites that you can actually sign up with where you can make $100 a day. Okay, very simple programs. If you can copy and paste and follow simple instructions, you can make instant pay. Receive instant payments with this, $100 instant payments, okay? But before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button, okay? And click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. You actually landed here probably because you're online right now searching for a way to make money online, extra income from home or part-time, or possibly you would like to replace your full-time income, okay? So you landed in the right place, okay, because I'm an affiliate marketer. In this particular channel you own, I actually show you different home-based business opportunities in which you can make money from home. Some are online, some are offline. I also show you different systems and tools you can use for your business, okay, to help you improve, to get more leads and more signups in whatever business you're promoting, okay. So let me show you these 3 different websites, okay. All you have to do is share your link, okay. Training is included in all these 3 systems. Following simple instructions and directions, okay, can aid you in receiving commissions with these programs, okay. So let me show you those really quickly. Hang on a second. Okay, the first one is going to be Instant Cash Solution. Now, with all these, you will need Wi-Fi connection, a computer, a laptop, tablet, or smart device. Okay, as long as you have access to that, you're good to go. Okay, so Instant Cash Solution, okay, is only $129 to get started. There's 4 levels with it, but we're only talking about $100 to get started. You can make a $100 commission. So $129 right now. As you can see, I'm in the back office, so you get a full turnkey back office with this. All right, it tracks your leads, it tracks your sales. You have capture pages. You have weekly training from the owner himself. Okay, every week you're provided all the ad copy that you need as well. Okay, so you're going to get 50 image ads. All right, with this. So all you got to do is copy and paste them in the places that they give you. The training is inside. Classified websites included, so they tell you exactly what to do. So $129 to get started with Instant Cash Solution. I'll put the link below for that one. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, one of my second favorite ones here is copy and paste ads. Just what it says, copy and paste ads. Okay, this little program is very powerful. I've made a lot of sales with this program. It's only $149 to get started with this one. Okay, and as you can see, we're in the back office. It gives you everything. Capture pages, just like the other one. You have all your capture pages, your tools here, resources, ads, 100 places to post ads, Craigslist posting tips and cities. There's voicemail messages you can download. You track your sales and referrals. They show you how to get traffic. Okay, different places how to get people to you is listed here as well. As well as a captivating capture pages are here. We have a Facebook group with this one. Okay, another great program. $149 to get started, guys. Awesome. Okay, so you can do that as long as you follow instructions. Okay, let's go to the last one. All right, my last one is Easy One Up. One of the programs I've been in since I want to say 2017, I believe, is when I got started with this one. Again, a back office with this one as well. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard. You have everything you need back here to get started. All you need to do is share your link, okay? This program has a Facebook group as well where the owner is very active in this program, and he has weekly training for this system as well, okay? And it's only going to be $110, okay, to get started with this one, okay? So all these are very low-cost startups that you can get started with, guys, to start making money from home, making money online, okay? You can scale up from there. This one has several levels as well, but we're talking about $100. Okay, 110 to get started. And as you make commissions, you can go up to the higher levels. Okay. Okay, so all you need to do now is get started. So decide which one of these you want to get started in. Go ahead, and what you can do is put your name and email into the system for each one. Kind of look at the videos for each one. See which one best suits you. Okay, and just get started, guys. That's the biggest thing, that people will just procrastinate and not move forward and take action. Nothing's going to happen until you actually take action, okay? So that's what you need to do. So as low as 110, 129, or 149, you can get started making $100 a day. That's an extra $3,000 a month, okay, that you could use in your household, all right? So what I'm going to do right now is put the links for those three below. You decide which way you want to go, and they're all instant pay, and I can guide you with which apps you want to use, whether you want to use Stripe, you want to use Cash App, Google Pay, any of these things you can use to receive your commissions, okay? So we can talk about that as you move forward and get started. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Go ahead and like the video. And jot down your questions after you've looked at everything. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Okay, guys? I look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.